Ollama versus Private LLM Local AI Reasoning Test. If you're deciding between Ollama and a custom Private LLM for local AI use, here's a quick side-by-side, especially for offline reasoning tasks. First, you have Ollama. Ollama allows you to run open source models like Llama 3, Mistral, or Phi 3 locally with a one-line setup. It performs well right out of the box with a fast install process, a clean user interface, and reliable results. It's especially effective for reasoning, coding tasks, and general purpose chat. However, it does come with limitations, mainly in model flexibility, as you're mostly restricted to pre-packaged options. Still, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable local AI experience without the hassle of heavy configuration. On the other hand, setting up a private LLM manually through tools like Hugging Face, LM Studio, or GPT for All gives you much more control. This approach allows you to manage models, tweak token behavior, and tailor workflows to your specific needs. It's great for privacy and advanced customizations. The downside is that it takes more time to set up and demands greater system resources. As a result, this setup is best for developers or advanced users who prioritize full control and customization over simplicity. As a reasoning test example to illustrate the difference in real use, both systems were tested with the prompt: if A is taller than B and B is taller than C, who is the shortest? Ollama using Llama 3 8B answered correctly with C. The same model run through a private LLM setup using transformers also gave the correct answer, though its response time varied depending on the configuration. Now for a final note, Ollama is ideal for fast local AI with strong reasoning. Private LLMs offer more control if you're willing to do the work. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.